Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me, for you. Today, let me introduce you the Maono DM30. It's a programmable USB condenser microphone with a high sensitivity. With all metal body design, the DM30 USB mic comes with high sensitivity condenser microphone core. It picks up 24-bit and 48 kHz high sampling rate and cardio ID pattern. Equipped with a cardio ID pattern with excellent off-axis noise suppression performance. And we have real-time monitoring. That's really cool in the case of a microphone. 3.5mm headphone real-time monitor output. The Maono Link PC and Mac control software in real-time synchronization of the hardware is possible and software adjustment. Adjustable with the Maono Link, if you like. You does not need the application to run the microphone, of course, but if you have this Maono Link application, you can adjust so many more different things, not only the RGB light, but you can make a lot of equalizer settings and limiter settings and compressor settings and so more. The Maono Link provides the mic gain, headphone volume, mic tone, RGB lighting, customization, equalizer, a limiter, compressor, and so much more. And it comes with a USB-C port acceptable device. That means you have both USB-C port or USB-A port. Both is installed. We have a standard 3/8 inches and a 5/8 inches threaded port on the bottom, so we can connect any bracket we like. This is amazing option for gaming or live streaming, and of course for podcasting. It's really cool. Design for all gamers. The DM30 is the best budget USB condenser microphone especially designed for all gamers out there. Known as the first plug-and-play programmable RGB microphone of Maono. It fits with 3-in-1 features. It controls for mute, microphone gain, and headphone volume. It is also recognized as the best buy microphone for sellers with the price by us easily, because it's really not so expensive, but it brings a really good job. I think so. It's really so. And of course, we have more in it. We have optional color choices. White, we can use out of a bunch of really matched colors like black, purple, pink, and white. And that's not enough with colors. There are colors with the RGB too. For example, we have an optional color choice. Why not have the fun with the DM30? The Maono's first real plug-and-play programmable microphone, specially designed for all gamers for that price, with a high sensitivity in pink or white. As you like, you can choose. And it's playable and reliable because we have real monitoring. 3.5mm headphone, real-time monitoring output. We can feel reliable to play with the headphone if we want. And we have a 3-in-1 button. Real one-click mute and the microphone gain control, adjustable. The DM3 also allows us to real monitor the microphone's volume, as we like. And we have 9 controllable RGB lights. That means 9 different colors, 9 modes of the RGB lighting specially designed for game themes. We enable us that to immerse in the real world. And we can reduce ambient noise. This working with the Maono Link software. The DM30 enabled 4 equalizer presets: real, reduce ambient noise, and improve clarity. It's a condenser pickup device type. The polar pattern is cardio ID. The sensitivity is from -4 dB fs The frequency response is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and the USB specification is USB 2.0 A and C, because there is a dongle built in. Really cool. I think it's really cool and easy setup device. It's the Maono DM30 Programmable USB Condenser microphone. It's available in pink, purple, black, and white. Cardio did polar pattern. It's mic gain control, real-time monitoring, headphone volume adjustment, all metal body, high sensitivity audio recording, and companion software. This compact but powerful DM30 is the next-gen digital microphone from Maono. The DM30 has a unique single-arm design and utilizes a condenser capsule that captures every nuance from vocals and musical instruments. It features a unique 3-in-1 digital knob that controls the mute switch, the microphone gain, and the headphone volume with a simple and intuitive user experience. The advanced audio processing features are available through the personal computer or Mac Maono Link software to offer us users more versatility. Gamers and other users would also appreciate the RGB light on the bottom of the microphone, which can be controlled by the hardware button and programmed by the Maono Link software. Really cool. For example, you can use the boom arm and the mic stand thread. It's compatible with 3 8-inch and 5 8-inch thread sizes. And we have a flexible adjustable knob on the right side. The stand can be rotated 300 degrees. And the microphone front, we have the knob function. We gain control adjustment, mute button, headphone volume, easy peasy. And on the bottom side, we have the RGB lighting display with 9 modes: red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, purple, RGB, and loop on and off. Nice device. Now let's hear about the Maono DM30 Programmable USB Condenser microphone. So now let's try the sound of this Maono microphone system. You can hear I'm approximately 30 centimeters away from the mic, and now I come a little bit closer, as you can hear. I go a little bit far away from it, and now let's try a little bit volume up, as you can hear, here, and a little bit down. It's really cool. I can adjust it easily. And of course, it comes with a really nice RGB lighting. Oh yeah, nice mic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.